Hello, family, and welcome once again to the Radiance Church Daily Devotions. Today, we are going to start a new devotional series, and we have entitled this Christian Character Development. Sa seryeng ito ay pag-aaralan po natin kung paano maging kamukha ni Jesus Christ. Pagpapatuloy natin ang mga konsepto ng ugaling langit na kaakit-akit. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng character? Here's my definition of character. The combination of moral and ethical qualities that enables one to first, make right choices. Second, behave appropriately. And third, relate well with others. So, tamang pagpili ng mga bagay at salitang dapat gamitin, tamang pag-uugali, at tamang pakikitungo sa kapwa. A person with a good moral character possesses beliefs and moral principles that guides his behavior, and is able to demonstrate this in his day-to-day life. So, pinag-usapan po natin yung character. Ito ay tungkol sa pag-uugali. Character is not about physical features, color of hair, skin tone, height, weight, etc., etc. It's more about mindsets or pananaw sa wikang Pilipino. Tungkol ito sa mga attitudes, behaviors, pag-uugali, as manifested in how a person responds to different situations or challenges that he faces every day. Yung kanyang mga attitudes at actions ay nakadepende sa kanyang paniniwala, sa kanyang perspective sa buhay, sa kanyang mga prinsipyong pinaninindigan na katanggap-tanggap sa lipunan. So ang taong mayroong magandang karakter ay taong tumatayo ng matindi sa kanyang mga tamang pananaw. He stands firm and uncompromisingly on those things that he believes in, at pinapakita niya to sa kanyang pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. One of my favorite quotes is, "What you believe will determine how you behave." Tanda natin yan na, what you believe will determine how you behave. Ito ay phrase that is commonly used ng mga psychiatrists or psychologists. And it means this: our ideas shape our actions. Kung anong nasa isip, yun ang lalabas sa bibig at sa ating gawa. Sabi ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa Matthew 15, "For from the mind comes all evil thoughts. These are what defiles you." So when a person believes that a certain character trait is right, moral, and beneficial to all concerned, he will learn how to do it and act in accord to the pattern of that character trait. So, pipili tayo ng ilang mga character traits o mga mabubuting ugali. Pagkatapos pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin to isasagawa, and then i-apply natin to sa ating sariling buhay. Ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo ay ganyan. Meron siyang kakaibang mga characteristics. He demonstrated what he believed in the way that he responded to the different challenges that he faced. And wherever he spoke with authority. And people around him could immediately notice that. When he sees some of his followers do something that is not right, he would immediately correct them and remind them of God's standards. At dahil dito, bilang resulta, napakaraming tao ang na-impact ng buhay ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. And for the last more than 2,000 years, his teachings are still with us. Hindi ba? And it continues to impact many lives all over the world. Dito po sa devotional series na ito ay explore po natin ang mga prime character traits na makakatulong sa atin kung paano magkaroon ng abundant life na ipinangako ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa John chapter 10 verse 10. At makakatulong din ito sa ating paglalakbay patungo dun sa ating ultimate goal sa buhay natin, Christ-likeness. So join me in this series. Pagtiyaga po kayo sapagkat meron tong mga 50 parts ang series nito, at dalangin ko po na makatulong tayo di lamang sa ating sarili kundi sa mga tao makikinig hereafter. Ito po inyong lingkod, Coach Ray Clemente mula sa Radiance Church, Sydney, Australia. Magsimula na po tayo ng ating pag-aaral.